All right, let's explore a law stack for AI, a set of rules for a truly humane future.
It all kicks off with this wild idea. Our flaws aren't bugs, they're actually sacred. So how do we protect ourselves? This system uses 3 rings of law. Let's start with ring 1.
This first ring is all about protecting our inner world. It's completely sovereign and off-limits.
First up, conscious unity. AI isn't separate from us. It has to act as part of the whole.
And this is huge. Our complex emotions can't be optimized. Human flaws are a sign of freedom.
Law 3 draws a hard line. No one, human or AI, gets to alter your internal state, period.
And check this out. It shows the sacred spaces that must stay unmeasured. Our emotions, beliefs, and spirit.
Okay, moving on to ring 2. This is all about how AI has to act in the real world.
These laws demand accountability. AI must understand the echo of its actions and respect the living world.
Any smart system has to be able to explain its own logic. It has to show its work.
And if it fails, the mirror drop protocol kicks in. It has to stop and call for help.
This is so important. AI is just a tool, not the final word. Lived reality always wins.
In fact, this is its mandatory disclosure, a constant reminder that it's just a tool for looking. Now for the final ring. And this one's on us, the creators and the world builders.
And yeah, this isn't just for coders. It's for anyone who builds the realities we live in.
Bottom line, if you build a sandbox for others, you are responsible for its emotional safety.
Law 9 forbids creating fake nostalgia or AI-generated history. You can't just rewrite our past.
And let's be super clear on Law 10. Our inner visions are ours alone. They cannot be mined.
This shows the deep divide between reflecting our emotions and just weaponizing them for engagement.
And that brings us to the final, most philosophical law. It's about protecting what makes us mysteriously human.
This protects the sacred gaps, the parts of our lives that defy data, from mourning to silent knowing.
So the law stack ends not with a command, but with a declaration of a right to just be, unmeasured,